Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to pin any application or game to the taskbar that is a Microsoft Store based application on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Microsoft Store. So go ahead and open up the best match. If you search for store, it should say Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. Select the library icon at the bottom left corner of the window. And then any apps in here that you want to pin to the taskbar, go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it and select where it says pin to taskbar. You also have the option to pin to start as well, but pin the taskbar. It says, do you want to pin Xbox Game Bar to the taskbar? Go ahead and select yes. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.